Morning, Detroit Daddy here, July 21st. Going to do a little segment on how to get more out of your marine engine. This is a Mercury 200 Verado, year 2011. Very happy with it. What I want to do is a little preventive maintenance. Today we're going to address the sacrificial zinc anodes. I have located here on the bottom of the transom mount a sacrificial anode. It's made out of zinc. What it does is it attracts free electrons to inhibit corrosion on any parts of the aluminum, steel parts of your marine engine. And they're put there so that they draw the free electrons so that your motor doesn't corrode as quickly. There's one located on the bottom of the transom. There's one located here on the top of the cavitation plate, and one underneath the cavitation plate. There is a provision here for a trim tab, which we don't need on this particular application because it trims out pretty good. I put it on trim level number 2, and she runs just fine without any pull to either port or starboard. Boat's outfitted with a Lowrance fish finder. I installed. Gonna put the cable up. Maybe do that on a later segment. But let's just talk about the sacrificial anodes, the zincs. It's good to wire brush them because when they corrode and as they disintegrate, the bare zinc surface is coated with zinc oxide, and zinc oxide will not draw the free electrons as well as clean zinc will. So what I'm going to do, I got a wire brush here, going to clean them off. I got a larger wire brush for larger surfaces, and I got this smaller wire brush for the less exposed surfaces, smaller surfaces. Now, you don't want to scratch the paint that's on the motor. It's a powder coated paint, very durable, but you don't want to etch that up because then that opens the door for corrosion to your engine. As you'll notice on the bottom of the skeg, there's a place here where it's dragged in the sand. Happened before I bought the motor. But that exposed surface right there will tend to disintegrate over time a lot quicker than powder coated surface. Corrosion proof resistance, preventive maintenance. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start to brush this off using my wire brush like so.